Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet thicket stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the thicket stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. You're then going to work the thicket stitch starting into the second chain from your hook. I will show you how to work that row on the row that I am currently working. I have already made one chain on my hook. Into the first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into that same stitch. You're going to skip the next stitch. In this next one right here, you're going to work a single crochet and then a double crochet. So if you were working this into chains, you're going to start working this, the single and the double, into the second chain from your hook, skip a chain, and then work into the next chain. You're going to skip the next stitch, you're going to work a single crochet into the next one, then a double crochet into that same stitch with that single. Skip one stitch, work in the next one, working a single crochet and a double crochet together. Skip one stitch, work in the next one, single crochet, then double crochet together. You're going to repeat these steps for the rest of your row. When you reach the end of your row, work one single crochet into the last stitch. That is how the thicket stitch is looking. You would now repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet thicket stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You could follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.